Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the best free stock shorting online softwares in 2025. I will be covering the pros and cons for each one of the platforms, also the case of uses if you're going to be a beginner or an advanced trader. You're going to find your perfect match or perfect suitable platform that you can use into the chart viewing. But before I start, I'm going to do a little bit of a categorization about the platforms that we are going to see on the video. If you're going to seek for a charting software for day trading, you can use TradingView, which is going to be this platform, and also Finviz. If you're going to need a little bit of a help, or let's say you're going to be a beginner that will use for the first time the chart viewing, you can go ahead and head over Yahoo Finance and also stock charts. So you're going to find stock charts and Yahoo Finance for the simplicity and also for a beginner friendly. Now, for the last one, we're going to have the advanced analysis, which is going to be included in the platform of Koyfin. Basically, you can go ahead and use that if you're going to need some advanced and also developed analysis for the market, and also some specific features that you can use maybe for free features or paid features into their plan. So it is going to be very attractive for the advanced stock traders or the stock traders and also the cryptocurrency traders. Let's start by our first platform, which is going to be the TradingView. The platform of TradingView is going to be well known for having a user-friendly interface, and advanced charting options, and real-time data visualization. So the platform is going to be very well made. Also, as you can see, the animations are going to be on fleek. The specific interface is going to be very simple to understand. If you're going to need some help, you can go ahead and have your cursor on the specific chart or the view that you want to use, or the tool, of course, and you can get easily the information that you need. So as you can see on this demonstration that we have in here, everything is going to be very comparative, very simple, and also the views could be changed from each one of the let's say here stock or the specific right there visualization that you need to apply into the filters. We have some filters, some sortings, we have some very high and advanced tools that we can use for this specific one, and it is going to be very responsive. Also, let's not forget about the community features that we are going to have in this specific platform, which is going to be helping you a lot for getting about an idea or some expertise from very well trained traders or master traders that you're going to find in here. The only con that you're going to find on this platform is going to be the limited features in the free version. So it is going to be a good platform. Don't get me wrong. Everything is going to be working very fine into your end, but the features are going to be a little bit limited if you're going to be an advanced or an expert, let's say, trader that has joined the platform. So you need to spend a little bit of fun money to get the feature or the premium plan that you're going to find your favorite features. This platform is going to be perfect for traders of all levels, but especially for the beginners who doesn't know a lot of strategies and also the tools that they are going to use on the trading and also the comparison tools and etc. And especially or the specific need for this platform is going to be for those who value the community interactions. So you're going to have the feature of the community that will help you a lot to improve. Now, let's move to the second platform, which is going to be the stock charts. This platform is going to have basic chart features or charting features. It has also the ability to save and annotate the charts. And let's not forget about the educational resources that we are going to find on the platform. So if you're going to have here the charts and tools, you can find that we have tons of tools that we have from the free, the paid one, and also we can have a free trial that we can use all the tools that are available within, and also the features that are available within the platform. As you can see, we have here the core tools. We have the more charting tools, which is going to have, for example, the pointed figures, the seasonality, the candle glance, market carpets, perf charts, and RRG charts, and also the dynamic yield curve for those who know how does things work in here. These things or these features, as you can see, not the beginners are going, all the beginners, I mean by that, are going to know what they are going to talk about, but you can go ahead and get the basics from this platform. So you can have some more options, research tools, as you can see, scanning tools, alerts, and also the reports that you can have or download or check whenever you're going to have an idea about some, let's say here, strategies and apply them into the real market. Now, for the things that you are not maybe or likely that you're not going to like on the platform is going to be the delayed data in free version. And this is, in my case, I think this is a big turn off. And also the limitation to only one chart per layout. So aside from these two cons that we are going to find in this stock chart platform, it is going to be a little bit here friendly for all categories of traders. If you're going to rely heavily on stock screening and visual market overviews, this platform is going to be for you. Now, let's jump on to the third platform, which is going to be named Yahoo Finance. This platform is going to be well-known and trusted platform on the market because they have been relying on Yahoo data, and who doesn't know Yahoo? It is going to be the most trusted platform and also used platform on the internet for the news, finance news, research, and etc. So this platform is going to be having the basic technical analysis tools and also the global stock coverage. So we can go ahead and head over the markets and see the stock markets, for example, for the most actives, the gainers, losers, the trending tickers, a future or futures. As you can see, also everything is going to be set up individually onto the Yahoo Finance. You're going only to type on googlefinance.yahoo.com and you're going to find everything in here. So you're going to find the tools that you need, like the overviews, the word indices. You can go ahead and find them from here. We're going to have everything named, also the symbols, the volume, the day range, and a variety of options, filtering and sorting things like for the ETFs, the crypto, the stocks, and everything. It is going to be a mixed platform from everything. Now, the cons or the things that you're going to find negative in this platform is going to be the limitation on the customization option and the basic charting capabilities. These are going to be the two only cons that you're going to find for this platform. Aside from it, it is going to be a very good platform, a free to use platform, and also a very well organized one. So let's move on to the third platform, which is going to be a Finviz. So Finviz is going to be the powerful stock screener, or the most platform that has the powerful screeners. We have heat maps, 3 years of financial history, as you can find in this platform, and everything is going to be in a case, or let's say here in a visualization of data, and we have tables, charts, a lot of data. And also do not forget that we have the headlines or the news from different platforms like Yahoo, like the also the news platform. Now, for the cons or the default, not the default, but I would rather name them as negative points that you're going to find on this platform, which is going to be the Finviz. It is going to have the delayed data for the US stocks. This is going to be a little bit of a disadvantage if you're going to use it for a real-time stock, let's say, charting. So aside from that, it is going to be okay. For the rest of the features, like having these huge As you can see, a number of informations, like we have the maps. So here we have a very developed map that you're not going to find on other platforms, or the screener that we have mentioned from the beginning of the video. As you can see, we have tons and tons of screeners for the duration or the history of 3 years or consecutive years. Now let's move on to our last platform that we are going to present for this video, and it is going to be Koyfin. Basically, Koyfin is going to have a very intuitive design, a global market coverage, and also a very comprehensive for the fundamentals and a technical shorting system. So the system on Koyfin is going to be very developed. That means that it is going to be very good to use for the pro investors and also pro traders. But this doesn't mean that they are going to have everything for free. So we are going to have a pricing for this platform. We have the free plan as promised for the free shorting or the let's say here the platforms that we are going to present. But also they are going to have a lot of uh, key features or premium features that you're going to see on the premium plans. And this is going to be a little bit of a con if you're going to head or need a advanced feature into the platform, and it is going to be requiring a paid plan to get them. Aside from that, it is going to be very user friendly and also beginners friendly for it. This platform is going to be very good for the investors who are focusing on both fundamental and also technical analysis. Aside from that, it is going to be a great platform. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe.